How to add overlay in Clipchamp? Want to make a video pop with extra graphics, animation, or effects? Let's add an overlay in Clipchamp. Click on Content Library in the left panel. Scroll down. Here you will find overlays like shape, sticker, frames, and even animated elements. You can also upload your own overlays. Just go to your media, import. Drag your overlay directly onto the timeline above your main video. Want it to show at a specific time? Just move it around or trim the length. Click on the overlay in the preview window to resize and move it. Place it top, right, center, anywhere. You can also animate it. Just click fade or apply zoom effect for extra flair. And play the preview. If the overlay looks good and timing feels right, hit export. And boom, your video now has overlay and grab attention and boost engagement. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.